this is Gundam 28608. We're going to randomize these colors 5 times. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's blue on the top and green on the bottom. And that's also now updated in the break listing. We have Blitz Gundam and Citizens Take a Stand. Perfect Strike Gundam and Gundam Aerial Rebuild in the LR. We have Noids Ares and Battle of the Aces. Strike Rouge and Young. The Witch and the Bride and Gundam. Process for sending base rarity cards. Let me shop. I believe, so typically with base, it will basically just be that if there's any base in your colour, you'll get sent a portion of those. But in some of these, we do just send all of them. So I might check with Blake when he's back as to what the case is. We have Rudicruz and Noids Ares. We have Shenlong Gundam and Zaku-1 Sniper Type. Yeah, no stress at all. We have Gundam Aerial and an R+ of Citizens Take a Stand. Sailor Mess and LR of Gundam Deathside. Blitz Gundam and Iron Fist of Discipline. He's running a white base, Team plus Xeon deck, and an Academy plus Wing deck. Oh, that sounds cool. I have to say, I don't know a lot about the game, but it does, like, from what I'm seeing, I feel like it would be pretty sick. I feel like anything with Gundams is really sick, though. Extreme Hatred and Unicron Gundam 2 Banshee Destroy model in the LR. And Shuju's Demi Trainer and Duo Maxwell. Unicorn Gundam Unicorn model and Shambu. We have Jewel Gundam and we have Castria in the LR. Charles Zaku 2 and Unicorn Gundam 2 Banshee Unicorn model. Deep Devotion and Dual Gundam Assault Shroud in the LR. We have a Delta Plus in the R, and we have Gundam Pharact in R+. Not a good day to get white. Oh no! Hopefully there's something that comes through soon. We have Gundam Pharact and Gundam Aerial. We have Kigali Yula Atha and Gundam Sandrock. Complaining helped. If only that worked in all aspects of life, hey? We have Legao and Wing Gundam Zero in the LR. Who knew that instead of praying to the card gods, we just had to complain to them? Would it change the course of existence? We have Shazuku 2nd and Intercept Orders. Nguyen's Aries, Battle of the Aces, and a foil resource. And last but not least, we have Fortress Defense and Charles Gilgug in the LR.